Hi, I'm Adam. In this video, we'll be looking at Forbo Flotex Wood Effect carpet planks. Now that is one catchy name. If you've ever wondered, how can I get a nice, modern wooden floor, but with the softness and warmth of carpet, then the gods of the universe must have directed you to this video. Just don't go anywhere, sit down, get a brew in your hand, and watch my face. This floor is for you. It's probably true to say that 90% of people who visit the DCTUK website click on the Flotex Wood Effect page and think, ooh, nice wooden floor. Little do they know that this is like the Optimus Prime of the flooring. Where did that go? It looks like wood, but is actually carpet planks. Yep, real carpet fibre. There is absolutely no wood here. It's part of a collection of Flotex floors. You can get a concrete look, a pinstripe look, and loads of other great looking designs, but surely the coolest of them all has to be this wood effect floor. The texture of this carpet plank is a bit like, well, it's a bit like Action Man's hair. Soft enough to be carpet, but durable enough to be the greatest hero of them all. There are some really great features in this floor aside from its looks. For example, it's been tested for indoor air emissions. That's the bit of stuff that's floating around inside that comes from the flooring. And this one has been approved by Allergy UK as having super low emissions. So if you get hay fever or allergies from dust, then this will help reduce the effects of that in the home. It's also class 33 rated, so suitable for commercial use as well as in the home. And it has slip resistant ratings both in the dry and in the wet. And if you're thinking of having it in your office, you'll be pleased to know that it's A-rated for caster chair usage, which means it can cope with the continuous use of a normal office chair rolling across it all day long. The planks come in sizes of 100 centimeters and 25 centimeters, and you'll need to buy them in quantities of 10. That's just the box size they come in. So in the calculator on our website, and sorry to over-egg this pudding, but just make sure that you enter either 10, 20, 30, multiples of 10, etc., or you won't be able to check out. Delivery time is just 7 working days, and that's because we deliver your order directly from the Forbo factory. That also means you'll get the manufacturer's 10-year guarantee with your floor. Don't forget, you can order free samples to see what it's actually like in your home or workplace, and when you're ready to buy, just check out online or call one of our fab people in our sales team. That's all from me. I'll see you next time.